Hey everyone, this is Vermin Monoholly O'Shaughnessy, and I am here with Troy, who's gonna eat some air for us. So I'm gonna pass the camera to him, and he's going to eat some air.
See, you all think I'm joking, but I can quite literally eat air. Ready for this?
So hurry up and eat the air. We're all watching. Ooh, you need a Mentos, by the way.
A little bit more.
Oh my gosh, you're actually eating the air. Oh, oh, oh gosh. If you could smell what I smell right now, you might be gagging or you might have already thrown up. But either way, that was nasty to be able to smell that in person. But interesting to be able to see that and hear that. So I hope you got something out of that because that was really effing weird. And I'm signing out.